Hello ladies and gentlemen, welcome to the Detailed Recipes channel. Sweet Turkish moon donuts will be made in this video. Ingredients for making Turkish moon buns: 500 grams of flour, half a glass of water, half a glass of sugar, 2 eggs, 10 grams of dry yeast, 125 grams of margarine, butter, 100 grams of liquid sunflower oil, 5 grams of salt. Ingredients to be used in the donut: 1 2-day-old cake, half a glass or 1 glass of milk, 100 grams of raisins, 25 grams of coconut, 5 grams of vanilla, 15 grams of black seed, 8-10 walnuts, half a spoonful of ground cinnamon, 1 spoonful of cocoa, 1 spoon of sugar will be powdered sugar. To prepare dough, first add water, add salt, add dry yeast and sugar. Add 2 egg whites and mix. Add margarine, butter and oil. There is 500 grams of flour, first add half and mix. Smooth the mixture and add the rest of the flour. You will get a dough that does not stick to your hands. There is no need for a machine to prepare this dough, it is easily prepared. Divide the dough into equal parts. You can prepare dough balls in 90-gram pieces. After preparing the dough, prepare the filling. It would be good to use a cake made 2 days in advance for Turkish moon buns. Crush the cake slices with your hand and add to the mixing bowl. You can calculate each dough to have a handful of cakes. There are 10 dough. Add raisins and nutmeg, vanilla, add milk, ground cinnamon, crush the walnuts a little and add cocoa. Prepare the sugar in the form of machine powdered sugar. Add sugar and black cumin to the machine. Mix all ingredients well. The filling is prepared in the consistency of a dough. Since you have 10 pieces of dough, divide the filling into 10 equal parts. Separate and roll the material evenly, then give a longer shape with your hands. All of them are shaped the same. Now the dough will be rolled out and the ingredients will be placed. The dough will roll out easily as it is oily and soft. Open the dough, add the ingredients and close it to form a crescent shape. You can just roll out the dough with your hands. Place the Turkish crescent donuts on the tray. You can intertwine the crescent shapes. You can bake without baking paper on the tray, it will come off without sticking. Make a mark by drawing the top of the donuts with a fork. Apply the previously separated egg yolks on the donuts. It will be sufficient to cook for 15 minutes at 150 to 160 degrees. Cooking time may vary in some ovens. It is sufficient when the top and bottom of the donuts are browned. It may be a bit stuck and it will not be a problem if you use a spatula while removing it. Unsweetened tea is generally preferred with these sweet donuts. Click the bell icon to get notification of the newest videos. Turn on notifications. Thanks for watching. See you in the new video.